Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on this laptop. So first of all, you can toggle your network connection. To do that, click these three icons on your status bar, and then either toggle this Wi-Fi icon right here to reconnect to your network, or toggle the airplane mode instead, and see if it helps you. And if you still cannot connect to your network, then right click this Wi-Fi icon, select go to settings, then go to network and internet, and right now we're gonna try to reset the network. To do that, select advanced network settings at the very bottom of the list, and then scroll down to network reset. Open this menu and click reset now, then click yes to confirm. Wait for this window to appear, click close, then go to the power options, start menu, then power options, restart, and wait until your laptop is restarted. Once your device is restarted, re-enter your system, and then open the control center again by clicking these three icons right here. Then click the arrow icon next to your Wi-Fi icon and select network that you are connected to, reconnect to it, enter the password this time, then press enter, and right now see if it works for you. And in case it didn't help, you can right click the Wi-Fi icon on your status bar, then select Diagnose Network Problems, and then you're gonna get a screen with the troubleshooting steps. Go through them and see if they help you restore the internet connection. And if they don't help you, then you can update your driver. Now, in order to update Wi-Fi driver, you're gonna have to use some sort of internet connection. So you can do this on any other laptop or any other PC instead. First of all, we're gonna have to try to update the driver automatically, which you can only do if you have network on this laptop. So if you do have some sort of connection, then go to the start menu, then go to the start menu, then search for the device manager, and once you find it, open it. In the device manager, you're gonna have to find the network adapters and expand the list of them, then find the Wi-Fi adapter, double click it, then go to driver, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and see if it finds any updates. Now the other way to update drivers is by doing it manually, and to do that, you're probably gonna need a connection with you're probably gonna need a different PC with a network connection, internet connection. Therefore, if you cannot do this on this PC, you can go through the following steps using some other device, and then transfer your driver using a USB flash drive. So what you're gonna have to do is detect your device's serial number. It's gotta be located on the back side of your device. So let's take a look right here, and here we got the serial number of the laptop. So find it on your device and either write it down or take a picture of it, and after that let's go to the following steps. Okay, so right now you're gonna have to open the web browser and the search engine, for example Google, then search for HP drivers, and we're gonna have to find the official HP support.hp.com website that says laptop drivers and software download. Open it, then select this field and enter your serial number in here. So let me do this real quick. And once you do it, click the search icon, Then wait until this website detects your laptop. Now identify and select operational system. So select your operational system, then select the version of your operating system. If you don't know the version, you can go to the start menu, settings, then select system on the left side of the window. Scroll down to the about section and open it, and then scroll all the way down to check your Windows specifications. Here you're gonna find the edition of your Windows and the version. For me it's 24H2, therefore it's gonna be this one, 24H2. Then click submit, and then scroll down to find the network drivers. Expand this list, and now we're gonna have to find the Intel WLAN driver. Click download next to it. Wait until this file is downloaded, and right now we are done. So right now, if you were doing this, all of this on the separate device, just transfer this file onto this laptop, onto your HP laptop using a USB flash drive, and then just run this application, run this file on your HP. Click yes, then click next, then read and accept the license agreement to continue, and click next. Then if you want to change the folder for your driver, you can click change and change the directory, but you can just click next. After that, finish once the driver is installed, and once it's installed, you can open the start menu, go to power options, select restart, and restart your computer to make sure that the changes applied. Well, at this point, once you restart your laptop, your problem should be solved. But in case you still cannot connect to the network, then first of all, connect your internet provider and ask them if there is a problem on their side, because most probably there is a problem on their side. If they confirm it, then just wait until they repair the issue, and in case there is no problem on their side, then contact the HP customer support service and tell them about this issue. Maybe they'll guide you through some additional troubleshooting steps, or you're gonna just have to send them your laptop for repair, or just head to the nearest repair center for them to replace your network card if there is a hardware problem confirmed. And that's basically it for this video. That will be all. Thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.